Code. What's good, YouTube? Dang, I don't know what time it is. Yo, we're back with another mad reaction, gang. Yeah, man. And the war turn up here now. Blood clot, the war turn up here now. It seems that Jada just dropped a reply a few hours ago in response to Steflan's done that. And the whole, the whole clash and beef between over Burna Boy and all type of things, but who take who for man and thing and them thing. But what are they for the gossip? What are they for the lyrical war we're going right now? You see me and say, yeah man, Steflan and drop a tune and make you know say, yo, either girl I can't tell my man, you see me, because we never did there, you take coke and take whole dance all industry and sell up front and all these things, yo. Crazy shit going on, bro. You see me? So there you know, Jada drop a reply and this a lot of people say, yo, it's fire. So we have to check it out and see what I got deal with. You see me and say, we don't go up the vibes much longer. Let's check it out. This is Jada Kingdom, London Bed. London Bed. Let's get it, gang.
Any girl, all we can't give a song. You're not for fuck it back, you're artist. No. Hey, ain't that the I don't know audio for one day, dog. Jesus Christ, I don't know, just drop the audio up on IG and they say, yo, yeah, artist, and she can't give a song, if you go back there. And that Jada choose the opening, man. Jesus, that's diabolical. Alright. That's how the Taliban's beat. No, to Bombokla. No! I better boy! Bomba. Me already see this come. I already saw this shit coming, bro. Cause if me that Jada, me that draw for the line there too. Bomba. Me know your Steph, your heart supposed to jump out of your chest when you hear the line there too, blood clean. No!
You made germs out, girl, man.
You made germs out? Really, Jada? You want to call somebody else? You made on germs out, brother? That rough.
Could make a waste boy chat me with no picnic that are you. One go find your mama be cool fit.
Oh shit. Bumbo clan. Me couldn't make no waste man chat me with no picnic that are you. God damn, bro. Yo, you sure it's not? Yo, you sure this not the direct efficiency at all? And Spice? Yeah, the shot they go for enough people now. Me don't know. That's a hold on. Me don't hear what you're saying.
Grow the fuck up and argue with your age group. You is a man clown and that is sad truth. You say him catch small and him is a mama's boy little bitch.
How the bumbo? Wait. Yo, me here say you do this real no Steflan. Say go say that great taste man and she him mama's boy and all these things and so if only you left and you see all these things about the dog, I want to go on now. Why you want back the dog? Your feet says, no man, me not lie. Steph, you kind of lose man there one day, you know. If I say something, all them things about the dog, you're not supposed to want the thugs back, man, and you know, I want to go on. Put me down thing.
You must the Lulu. Your body whole name London Bed. Your mouth fuck out, that's why the man left.
How would it? No, Jesus Christ. No, this is... Say your body whole name London Bed. Your mouth fuck out. Man, no, dad, this is disrespectful. This is this song. You build the one for this song, bro. Me nah lie, the one that Jesus. What for your Steflan reply with?
Reach me anywhere me day. You coward like pussy, you no bad from no way. A little chum change, put a price on your head. You have a pedophile brother and I did that for them.
Too much chatter fire in this, bro. She said, yo, chum chin put some money on your head. You have a pedophile brother. Oh gosh, shot fire. Jada draw card, man. I pull file on him thing, man. No, sir.
You all done, but mine can't lend. Free fuck a rape, good pussy must sell. The man tell me say
man say you all done, but mine can't lend. Good fuck. Hey. First of all, Jada Kingdom, me not agree with that, but free effort, I agree. And so he must sell. Me not agree with that, a whoring mentality that, you see me I say, yeah, you have a mentality of a whore, Jada. That's why you think like that. You see me? Yeah, we gotta call that shit out.
Never want be no stepfather. I me for go cost like a idiot girl. £500,000 pounds. Jet to Paris, couple Birkin bag, a new watch for my wrist full of
£500,000 pounds. Couple Birkin. Jada, I never say no Birkin still. No. Let's talk truth.
I could talk truth now, man. We hear about the Birkin, but we not see none. We not see her with none. You see me? We could talk it truth now, man. You see me? That I'm going to say that for you and go big up. But we not see her with the Birkin for real, Lord Jada. Go on. That chicken get chicken up.
Invest in some property and watch the money flip. It's just a normal day, tricking on a bad bitch. Got my turn, I'ma gladly take it. So where you walk?
But you see what I'm talking about? Horde mentality, she get her turn and she gladly take it, you know. You see me normally. We stop tricking on these hoes, bro. You feel me? Just stop. Remember Jada there for a little one man what the other for free. What did that pan? We stop tricking on these local chicken head, bro. You see me I say?
But do about that. From your sing say a girl fuck your man you flop. Since you bad me there so I wait pan the back.
No. That me not agree. You say your man fuck your man say you flop. Me don't agree that you can't have this wife. Are you kind of take the L in Jada? Next girl man fuck you and cut you chicken with a little this and that. Are you are really the chicken head, you know? I see, oh, you can style the wife, you know. That me not gonna agree with you see me?
17 in the Glock, stuff a face with shot. Me say your body whole name London bed. Your mouth fuck out, that's why the man left. Must move and reach me anyway.
No, the line, no, I ain't gonna lie, bro. The line is crazy. Your body whole name London bed. Your whole fuck out, that's why the man left. Hey. That's a fucked up line though, but you see, I can't style wife in my opinion.
A little chump change, put a price on your head. You have a pedophile brother and I did that for dead. Anytime you come yard, your pussy get passed round. What the man them for the song and use fuck pay down.
Man saying anytime you come on yard, your pussy get passed round. Now that's how go on, Steph. Say it ain't so. I don't really believe the part still, you see me, but say it ain't so.
And say you love pop pill and eat ass and be funny stuff. Go to buy them, take your face and shit it up. Go.
What? You love pop pill and eat ass and funny stuff? How the bumbo clot go? Eh?
By the surgeon and fuck up your tummy toe. Cause this the boy will give you a bun and fuck your meds up. And I need your sick.
Hold on there, weird. She said, you tummy talk, you get tummy talk, I fuck it up. Weird. Oh gosh.
Face and shit it up. Go fight the surgeon and fuck up your tummy toe.
Damn.
Boy will give you a bun and fuck.
So go fight this surgeon and fuck up your tummy talk. Fighting words that you know. Fighting blood.
Fuck your meds up. And I need your sick and stink and full of pus. Who broke baby father learn him lesson. And you
book and then you sick and stink and full of pus. No man. Me not think me can review the clash. I know that I tracing this, bro. Me no know me can review the rest of the clash. That's how now go.
For the little girl, you're too fucking careless for a big man. You must run a war house up in London. The little bitch can't press me that I want. Old foot don't
careless for a big man. Jaja.
Take to me about no man. Me will make a boy shoot up your calling on. You just another weak link, you and another done. Coulda never be a treachery.
Oh boy, make a dog shoot up your calling on. He's a weak link, you another dad. Oh gosh.
Just a fan. Anything where you chat me, I feel laugh at. I must joke this cause your pussy big like London Bridge. Your mouth fuck up, that's why the man live. Must I move and reach me anyway me day.
Hey, this is crazy. This is disrespectful. I ain't gonna lie to you. You see us again. But you gotta remember, this song is made for this. The song that Teflon Drop wasn't original. They should just change up a few lines. So you gotta give credit where, you know what I'm saying? But this right here, this is official kickoff, bro. Steph, you have to come nasty up Jada with this reply, man. Oh, I'm here, man. Why if you cannot lose to mate, you know? Steph, you have to hear what I'm going. You're not just a fight the war for you. You see me? You fight if you all of the girlfriends and the wife out here. You can't make the side chick and the mates them come win the war. You see me? Yeah, man. You have to go nasty to some girl, bro.
A little chump change, put a price on your head. You have a pedophile brother and I did that for dead.
Jaja!
Fuck you.
Nah, life, your brother do that for you if you dead. If you dead for real. I'm not gonna lie. If you do that for choke, if you dead for real.
Bitch.
Jaja. Please, Steph, you can't take that, Stefan Danny gotta come correct. Jada, that, you know, man, twinkle herself. I don't know, say Jada, the face, the another man, so man. And if you never know that something wrong with you, you can look on and yell if you don't say that, no manners. Jada King of my junker, you know? Yeah, I think I joke. Yeah, man, but like me say, people, 2 dope diss tracks. You know what I'm saying? We don't know where we're bringing the war yet. But as me say, wife you have to come before me all the time. You see me I say, so Steph, you're fighting not only girlfriends, but the wife is. You see me I say, while Jada side fight for the side piece them and the mate, you know, from what it seems. So you can't make some side piece and mate will get some bag broke on style up a thing, but you have to defend it, man. You see me? Yeah, man, you can't make some girl where I say, man, you have to defend the thing, man, as some say, you know. Yeah, man, but two dope parties, you see me? And don't get me wrong, I not pick no side, I not against Jada, I not against Steph. For them look good. But when if I have a moral standpoint, I can't back you, mate, bro. Can't back a girl where I sell front and them thing there, I do the whoring thing them. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, I know enough people go talk about, oh, at least you know what Jada do. You don't know what Steph do. Bro, if you go say, you know what Jada do because of what she say, you have to say you know what Steph do because of what she say. Jada say she do the warring things, man, for God, man. Steph say she do the wifey things, man. So, if you can't do that. Yeah, man. Yeah, so, yeah, that me say. Can't bring Jada down there. Me not pick no side. But you can't pick the word. You see me, the wife you have to go with, bro. You see me, you can't make, and that's why the girl don't want to be no good girl no more. And the wife no more. Because you make side chicks feel like you can come size up. You see me? Come size up. Bro, that take a while fuck off a jail and kick her to the side, bro. You see me? Yeah, man, you can't come. Steph no name if you feel no weird now yourself. You should know say, yo, your man use a one girl and kick her to the side. Scumming all that. You see me? Yeah, man, yes, girl, lad. Yeah, man. You can't be the girl who come feel like saying in the same boat as you. You see me? Don't size up, man. You get a Birkin, you get a Conan, and when I see him bracket, I say she and a pre. But the war down there already. You see me? And me can't. More to be discussed. Just me know who think in the comment section, who not bringing out the war gang. You see me? I say, who not feels like killing it so far. You see me? Was it Stefan Chuck or Jada Chuck? Who's Chuck take it? You see me, I say let's discuss it, let's chop it up, gang. You see me? I talk about more going live later. Look out for that, gang. You see me? You don't know. Till next time, we're Jambisco. Next time, take care of yourself and enjoy. Love you guys. And I'm out.